Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez. We are on day 11 of my Christmas series. I am doing 30 Christmas videos in the month of November. Today I'm going to be doing my final Christmas decor haul. Well, I have one more, but it's a thrift store decor haul, so they're technically different. But anyways, this is going to be the last new decor haul that I'm going to share with you. Again, for this video, I'm not going to be doing a decorating portion at the end, but I do have my decorating videos coming right after the weekend. So starting Monday, I'm going to have a living room decorate with me. I'm going to also have a kitchen decorate with me. I'm probably going to do the mantle and my tier tray separate. So I have a lot more coming for you. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Like, comment, and share. That always helps my channel to grow. And let's just go ahead and get into it. Again, this is going to be all over the place, not store specific, because I have quite a bit and it's all just kind of scattered right here in front of me. Let me go ahead and start with something I already have here. I bought some gray throw pillows. These are exactly like what I had for fall in orange, but they are this really nice light gray, and they go really well with some of the gray Christmas ornaments that I'm going to be doing on my tree. It is already set up back here so that you could see how I have it, and they're pretty much going to go exactly where the orange ones used to be for fall. From Hobby Lobby, I got two of these birch like foam logs. They were $6.99, and I did get them when they were already 50% off. They have glitter and faux snow, but I really like, again, just the gray coloring that it has because it goes great. I'm going to be doing some DIYs with these. I already broke apart a second one, and I can't wait to show you where else I'm going to be using these. Also from Hobby Lobby, I got this adorable ornament pick. I like that it is glittered, and they have this in like a gold or silver version. I got the silver kind, 50% off from $3.99. I went ahead and used one of these that I had from last year in a floral arrangement that I did for one of my videos. I did leave that in my office, and I'm planning to do a similar arrangement for either the kitchen or here in the living room, and I thought I could make those kind of tie together by adding some similar items. From Dollar Tree, I got these chocolate stirring spoons. I did buy the peppermint ones last year, and I'm only using those for decor. They actually do taste pretty good. I haven't tried these yet, but different people have different opinions, so I think it's just something you're going to have to try for yourself. I'm not going to use these as decor. I'm actually going to use them for what they're intended for, which is to eat them and drink them. This is not hot chocolate, by the way. It's not like you can have milk, use the spoon, and then it becomes hot chocolate. This is not enough, and it's not the correct I guess recipe for it. I do have some hot chocolate squares that I did last year. I'm gonna leave that video linked down below if that's more of what you're looking for. And I went ahead and used the peppermint spoons for that, but you can most definitely use these. Just make sure that you don't keep them where it's too warm, because this will melt. Also from Dollar Tree, I got this poinsettia clip. All you have to do is fluff it up because they do come very like squished down in the packaging. I was only able to find 5, so I got all 5, and they have them in red. I think that the white one is the prettier one. It's very similar to something that they have at Hobby Lobby, but they are smaller. They have a really nice subtle glittered center and then some glitter on the leaves. Again, such a really good deal for only $1. I hope that if you want them, that you can find them, because I have found that they are really hard to get a hold of. From the 99-cent only store, I did get 2 packs of Christmas cards. I thought that these were really cute. I think they went well with different styles. And again, I'm going to be doing a Christmas card exchange. I'm going to give more information when I do a Christmas card DIY. So make sure that you stay tuned for that video. Also from the 99-cent store, I got some ribbon, and it is some standard white ribbon, but it is a very pretty velvet. Well, pretty because it's white and it's exactly what I needed. And it also is wired. Let me see if I can open it up. That way it won't be shiny and you'll see that it is velvet. It is nice and thin, which I actually really love. And it has like the silver wired edges. So again, it's going to work perfectly for a Christmas tree and DIY idea that I have with them. And of course, I got this beautiful soft velvety deer, well, reindeer from the 99-cent only store. I still only have the standing version. I want the sitting down one, and I have to go to a different store to see if I can spot it. From Walmart this year, I am trying these like twinkly lights. They are 100 for $8.86. They are battery operated. I'm going to show you how to put them in the tree when I do my main tree decorating video. Really excited to have finally got some of these. I'm sorry if you can hear my cat meowing and purring. He is literally right here and won't leave me alone. But anyways, I'm very excited to add these to my tree. I think that they're going to give it a lot of whimsy and just coziness to it. From the 99-cent only store, I also got this large white berry pick. It has a lot of glitter, and I'm really been into glitter this year. I usually never have. So really excited that I am, because that opens the possibility of more items for me. And I did get a total of 6 of these. I got this large ornament from the 99-cent only store as well. I got a total of 8 or 9 because I ended up using one of them on my tiered trays. I absolutely love this top that it has here. It's not your standard one, so I feel like it gives it a little bit extra without taking away from the simpleness of this ornament. I don't know if you can see, it's trying to focus on me. But it does have a little bit of white and glitter right here and all through the seams, which again just gives it a nice little subtle wow factor. From Dollar Tree, I was able to get some of these adorable gnomes. These are 14 inches long. They're really nice and sturdy. I think they're really, really pretty. You just kind of have to prop them up so that the legs stay where you want them. And of course, fix their beard. But I just took it out of the bag and that's why it looks like this. Other than that, these are absolutely perfect. And also for the price, you really cannot beat that. Even if you DIY something like this, this is still cheaper because it's no time wasted and they're just adorable. And from the 99-cent only store, I got 2 of these $3 bottle brush trees, and as you can see, they are very, very big. I went ahead and chose ones that had a lot of the flocking on them. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. They light up. I think I'm gonna keep it unlit though, because I prefer this kind of simple version of it. It's such a great deal as well for only $3. From Target, I did get a couple of items. I could not resist the Hearth and Hand collection. They had a lot of beautiful items. Every year they get me. I was not too impressed with the dollar spot, so I just went ahead and returned pretty much every item that I bought there and just went back and got from the Hearth and Hand collection. Starting with this adorable mistletoe bundle. Is this not the cutest thing ever? I love that it comes with the black velvet ribbon up here. This was only $9.99 and it is really large, really good quality also. They have one in the Wonder Shop collection that is $5, but it does not look as good as this. The berries are red, so if you want red, I think that probably would be the better option. It literally has probably only about that much, and I don't think it's as good of a quality as the Hearth and Hand one. So if you are thinking about getting that one and you spot this, I think this is a much better option. This year I am doing grays as my main accent color, but my husband still really likes red for Christmas, so I am adding a couple of red accents. I'm not going to do it on the tree, just on the decor, so I thought this was perfect. It was $8.99 and it is a 2 set of pot holders. I always have some in my kitchen as part of the decor, so I thought these would be a perfect way to subtly add some red to it. From Walmart, I got this adorable arrangement. I think this was $10 to $12. I don't remember off the top of my head. This was very much a impulse buy just because I thought it was beautiful, but I am going to still make some changes to it. I'm probably going to paint or add some details to this vase because it is too bright white for the decor that I'm doing this year. And I'm going to take out all of the white picks. They're very easy to come out, and I'm going to go ahead and just save these for something else because I am not doing bright white. So I will either paint the berries as well, or maybe just add in some of the berries from other picks that I'm going to be using in my tree, because I think this is going to be the arrangement that stays on my coffee table. Now, I said I wasn't going to add any white, but I did get 2 of these faux stems, and they are in the white berry, but it is, well, these are Hearth and Hand, so obviously they match the berry color that is on the mistletoe. And look at the difference in white of these. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is different in person. I do prefer this more of a creamy white, and these are going to be added to an arrangement. They only had 2 and they were $5.99, so I thought they were a little expensive. I wish they would have been cheaper, and I would have most likely bought more of them. In keeping with adding some red to my decor, I did get 2 of these adorable coffee mugs. They were only $3.99. They always have some type of $3.99 mug in the Hearth and Hand collection. This time it is this adorable one. The small ones are always $3.99. I got the ones for fall, and I love them because I love drinking in small cups, but these are much smaller. These are probably about an 8-ounce mug. It doesn't say it right here. The other ones I think still fit about 10 to 12 ounces. So this is more like a hot cocoa drinking mug. So these are going to be for my tier tray and for drinking tea because they are nice and small. I like that the tree is on the inside, so even after Christmas I'm going to be able to keep using this if I have some red decor, like let's say for Valentine's Day. And now, I did say that I was adding red because my husband likes red, but secretly it really is because I wanted these vases. They are so cute. This was $19.99, so a little more than I wanted to spend, but I couldn't resist it. I love it so much. I love the size, I love the shape, I love this like subtle white color that it is. Again, sticking with more of the creams instead of the bright whites. I love the red. I love the detailing that it has. Everything about this is perfect. I'm going to be adding these to my kitchen. Well, this is too high, but you get what I mean. And to go with it, of course, I had to get its little sibling. And this one was $14.99. Again, much more than I wanted to spend, but it's just so adorable. I love that it's the same but different. So on this one, it's more of like a little stitching pattern, and they go great together or separate. And again, I'm going to be able to use these for Valentine's Day, not just for Christmas. And they're just the perfect size. They're adorable. And I think that's it for this haul. I can't wait to show you what I was able to find at the thrift store. I'm going to leave any of the videos that I mentioned linked down below for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. I am doing 30 Christmas videos in the month of November, so you don't want to miss any of them. Also, like, comment, and share. That really helps my channel to grow. Go ahead and comment which one was your favorite item that I bought. I'm pointing down because they're all right here, right in front of me. Again, let me know which one was your favorite. Thank you for taking time to watch my video. I hope you have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.